have time to deal with my credit and money issues because I'm too busy at work. How do I fit this into my already busy life? Hi Club Clarity, it's your girl Nikki again, aka the Finance Falcon, here with another Q&A. Now usually I try to keep the Q&A videos to a minute or less, but today's question will require a little bit more time than that, so stick with me for my answer. If you're not familiar with me, you may be asking yourself why you should listen to me. Well, it's because I have been in finance for over 21 years, and not only am I versed in how finances work here in the US, but in several countries abroad as well. In addition to this, we have helped many individuals, families, and business owners alike learn how to manage their money and make it work for them. Now, back to today's question. I don't have time to deal with my credit and money issues because I am too busy at work. How do I fit this into my already busy life? Make no mistake about it. Your finances will not autocorrect. So taking control of your personal finances is a choice that you must make, as this is your responsibility and yours alone. Making this choice will change your whole life and finally get you out of the passenger seat and into the driver's seat of your life. In addition to this, it may allow you to get some of your time back and not always be so busy at work. In fact, the only thing that having this kind of mindset and attitude will do is to keep you in a place where you will always be struggling and stressed over your finances. You will always be in a place of lack where there never seems to be enough money to fund your life. You know, the one you've been dreaming of and planning all the while in your head. Is this the way you want to live your life? How has this way of thinking and handling your money worked for you up until this point? If where you currently are in your life and if your finances are not where you want them to be, then this is the perfect time for you to take control, take the steering wheel, and take control of your financial life. I absolutely believe you can. And I believe you when you say you're extremely busy. But one thing I have learned about people is that they make time for the things that truly matter to them. Now I get it. Most of us were never taught about finances as a whole, let alone personal finances. So this is all new, uncomfortable, and without guidance can be overwhelming. It is something that we think has to be this way because, frankly, this is how it's always been, right? My parents, my grandparents before them, and as far as we know, everyone in our entire family have always handled their finances this way. So who am I to think that I could be different? Trust me when I tell you, these are all just barriers to success when it comes to managing your money. I'm here to tell you that you can and you must break through them. The good news here is that you have the power, but that could also be the bad news as well. Life is all about decisions, so make sure you are making good decisions. Everything you do starts in your mind, long before you ever take action. Remember, thoughts become things. With that in mind, start by changing your mindset about your finances and money. Create a money mantra and a list of 5 to 10 affirmations about your life and your finances. Write them down and make sure you repeat them at least twice a day. First thing in the morning and right before bed are usually the best times to do this because this is when your subconscious mind tends to be the most receptive to new information. It is now time to identify your why after you've completed the prior step. Again, write this down. Make sure you keep this or a copy or maybe even a photo on your phone or somewhere that you can easily access it at any time. You will need it to keep you motivated when it gets hard and you want to give up. And trust me, it will get hard. I'm not here to sugarcoat this for you. I'm just here to give you the facts as they are. The reason this will be hard is because it is a completely new way of life when it comes to managing and caring for your money this way. And your brain will resist it at first. Make sure the why that you've decided on and identified is important enough to you to be able to get the job done and keep you motivated and on track when things get hard and you just want to throw in the towel and give up.